Hello my friends and welcome to this video guide. I want to adjust leverage in TradingView's paper trading to test strategies with more buying power. Changing leverage isn't straightforward, but I'll show you how to do it in this year. So TradingView's paper trading defaults to 1-to-1 leverage, meaning no borrowed funds. You can't directly adjust leverage without resetting your accounts, as TradingView ties leverage to broker settings or account resets. Check your broker's integration at tradingview.com/brokers. Some, like TradeStation, limit leverage options. After that, to change the leverage, go to the trading panel, select paper trading, and click the settings gear next to your account. Choose reset account to clear all trades, and also warning, this deletes your trading history per TradingView. In the account creation menu, set leverage values for each asset class, like 5-to-1 for Forex or 10-to-1 for crypto. I reset once to test higher leverage. Start small to avoid big virtual losses. After resetting, place trades via the order ticket. The margin field shows your funds used, and trade value reflects the leveraged position. Monitor the margin progress bar. It turns red if you exceed available funds. Use Pine script for automated leverage if you want, like 20% for 5-to-1 leverage. And guys, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, share them below, like and subscribe, and ring the bell for more tips like this. And see you next time, my friends.